This is a bladed top grass trimmer, and this also has like the weed eater top fitting that you can put on it. And this is from the company Kakyoin, maybe how you would say that. I can't pronounce that, but that's definitely an interesting name. It has 2 batteries that come with it. It's a 20-volt, 4,000 milliamp battery. You get one right there and one right there. There is a little bit of assembly to it. I put the handle on, you put this thing on, and then you put the blade on. You get this little like attachment here that's a weed trimmer. You get extra weed eater string, a pair of like pretty small stretchy gloves, safety glasses, a charger, and the charger actually goes into the back. And then they have a like a setting right here where you can check them. I think this was the one I was using. You get a little screwdriver, and the screwdriver helps adjust that. You're going to get this tool right here, and that tool, I'll show you what it's for. Definitely don't lose that. And your instructions. You get this kind of flat blade, and then you get 2 of these blades, and you see how it looks right there. That's what I have on there. So let me just kind of like go over the unit itself. So you see right here, to put this blade on, you're going to use this tool right here. You're going to turn that and turn that tool, and that's what you get that blade off. And then once you hold the blade, you can turn it. You can see the lock symbol there, and then it goes, and then that's how that works. And then what you're going to do is loosen this up, and then you see how it stretches out like that, and then tighten it up. See if I can do it all one-handed here. And then you can turn this different ways, but I have it just kind of like the handle here and a handle here. And I will switch out and put this on there in a minute because I want to kind of show both of them. So let me go ahead, get the safety glasses, get the gloves, and let's do some cutting. I have a little bush over here I want to get rid of, and it's really good that I have this right here, the actual blade to cut this. So let's go ahead and test this thing out. Safety glasses are officially on. You see right there? Safety glasses and gloves. How about that, everybody? And to adjust this, you're going to mash this button in right here, and you see how I can move the head to a complete like 90 like that, or straight down. So I'm going to go about like that. Wow, that thing sounds like a beast. Let's go over here and do some cutting. Get it started. Whoa, look how that just sliced that. Whoa, that worked great. It seems to go through this kind of like small twigs like this really well. And now I'm going to change out the blade. So the first thing I'm going to do is take the battery off. So to change out the blade, you're just going to basically get your tool, take that off. See how simple that was? So I'm removing that. It looks like you just thread those through like that. So it's basically just kind of like a little U pattern. Pretty interesting the way that threads through like that. So it looks just like that. So you're going to put this on here like that. Get your screwdriver. See this hole right there? You're going to stick your screwdriver down in there like that. And that's what holds it into place. Put that on. So let's see what this thing looks like. Well, now we got a weed whacker. I just put this blade on. So this is kind of like a little miniature lawnmower blade. So check this thing out, everybody. What I'm going to do is, because it's thicker grass, I'm going to go right down through there. Wow, that leveled the top of it pretty good. I'm sure all this stuff will grow back fast. So yeah, that blade right there works pretty good too. So yeah, there it is, everybody. I think this thing's gonna work out great. I'll use this all spring and summer. If I wanna use it for edging, I can use it for that. Maybe that's what that's for, is some edging. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today and on the, you know, the grass trimmer. See y'all in the next video.